The automatic support and resistance indicator offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to understand the functionality and operation of the indicator. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it begins to draw support and resistance zones on the price chart. The automatic support and resistance indicator displays 4 colored zones on the chart, including untouched support zones in dark green, untouched resistance zones in dark brown, touched resistance zones in light brown, and finally, touched support zones in light green. Additionally, the indicator draws a border above and below each zone. And if the price reaches the border lines, it cuts through the drawn levels and displays the zones where the price has reached. Traders can easily identify high-importance support and resistance zones using this indicator, and when the price reaches these zones, they can enter sell or buy trades on the price chart. In the settings section, under the input section, there are options available for us, where in the first part, we can change the color of the untouched support zones to a desired color. We can change the color of the touched support zones, the color of the untouched resistance zones, the color of the touched resistance zones, and finally, the border color to a desired color. Here I choose the border color to be blue, and then confirm it. Here we see that if the price reaches the border lines, it cuts through them and displays the price movement areas. Additionally, using the zigzag lines, traders can identify the price trend and conduct more specialized analyses on the chart. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.